I got a friend. Shows me all the good times, tells me I look better.
My name's Barry Kaiser. I just want to speak about Cassius. Cassius was named by my granddaughter, Kristen, after Cassius Clay. He's also a big chap. We're not sure of his breeding. We presume he's cross Brahman, we think, with Afrikaner. He weighs in excess of, I guess, between 12 and 1300 kilos. He's about 4.5 years old. He loves bread. That's his little snack that we now and then give him. But he's totally organic. He's not stall fed at all. He just eats what is natural.
Chews me up and spits me out.
Okay, Cassius is a very friendly animal. He's not aggressive at all. He likes to be with people. He tried to go into my son's room, Greg, and we had to get him out, turn him at the steps. He was quite prepared to go in. Unfortunately, if he had gone in, we would have had a problem because the floor is tiled. And if an ox flat side slips inside your flat, I don't think there'd be much left of the flat at all.
And then walks my ass home.